Alright, YouTube. Rude Nation again. We're gonna attempt to mess with the intake, see what's going on. I have a feeling I might need some more stuff, or need at least a bigger diameter hose, but we'll see. You're going to need a like a T25 and a T30 if you know if you're trying to get them off your bolts.
Quick as
That's what I was trying to avoid, but still fell.
position
Where we don't basically need the air box in there, we're gonna replace all the little holdings. This right here gonna need to be replaced because that's holding this, and this is connected to the air box. So I'm gonna have to put some kind of metal somewhere that's that is able to extend and hold these things into place. Also the relay. So in order to mess with all of that, gotta take off the seat as well. There's 2 bolts up here. Get you right. So we got the screws for the seats. Gonna take that off. Basically it slides, Alright, so we're attempting to take out everything off of the air box. See how big it is? And what I noticed is I could save this bracket that was holding this LiFan EFI. So that being said, that's what I'm gonna do. Try to MacGyver this installation. Those of you that's old enough, y'all know who MacGyver is. It is this hose. Try to show y'all with one hand. So basically, first part, intake. It was facing like backwards. Can't catch much air like that. So then it got this right here, like some kind of rubber gasket. Okay, it just pops out. Kind of manhandling it, but okay, got like little things holding it in. But basically I gotta hit these screws that screw over there was underneath the wire harness. This screw right here, this screw. Then I gotta hit probably this bolt right here. It looked like you could separate the filter, but we'll see. I'm gonna give y'all, I can't give y'all the full video because I'm, you know, I got one hand, but let's see what we could do. There go the filter right there. Took the base off, and then boom. So took all the screws out. Basically just gotta maneuver it out of there. Got the intake off of the whatchamacallit right here. Intake side, valve, whatever you want to call it, manifold. So came to the realization that this is bigger than I thought. This is remember, I don't know, I made a video but I didn't post it trying to give y'all a review, but I said we were gonna get up in here, and this right here is a situation. So I recommend, if you want to save the airbox, you'll have to take the spring out. You have to take, first you have to take the tie out. Then you take the spring out, let the spring down, you know, after you take out this bolt, that bolt. Then you'll be able to rock this off of there, or you'll be able to pull it out sideways as such. But if not, there's no way you're able to take this out without ruining it, because it is saddling the spring, my friend. Let me see if I can show y'all that. See that? It is saddling the spring on both sides, like right here, and we're gonna come over here, and that's the battery side right there, right there. So, you know, I'm limited with tools and jack stands and all those things of that nature that would allow me to take this tire off in a couple of seconds and slap it back on. So we're not gonna do that. This is what we're doing. As you can see, I had to go demolition style on this ass, but she's got, about to get the rest of that hole. Good update on the pipe here. We're gonna reuse this clamp over here. Boom. This is a configuration that we made, some extra rubber. This is basically the intake right here. I wanted it long, but we'll see how it go. I might shorten it up, but for the most part, sun's going down, and yeah, we'll see how it goes. We'll see how it sounds. Sorry for the mess. Sorry for the, you know, the in-between updates. They're kind of far apart. But guess what, guys? We go ahead and wired up. We went ahead and wired up the new tail light. It's on the ground. Like I said, exhaust intake is done. We got a clamp here. We got a clamp there. Feel me? This I have to strap down to the actual tubing. This is rated for heat, so should be fine. Y'all gonna get a better picture in the daytime. The wires up in here was green, yellow, green, and I believe red. Then for the indicator part, it was blue and white. They left out the ground because it's already grounded. They did one ground, one black cable is the ground for the whole entire system. This obviously came with a split ground and things of that nature, but it works without you splitting the ground. As you could tell, see, indicator, it goes left side, boom, right side, stop, stop. You hit the brake. See that? So I'll put a link in the description as to where I got this brake piece, but basically it goes right up under there. Yeah, buddy. Right up under the seat, nice and clean. No, it ain't gonna be no indicator sticking out. It's gonna be nice and clean. So stay tuned. Yup.